Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Realtek audio issues after Windows 11 24 S2 update. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the audio problem after updation of your Windows 24 S2, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. The first method is you have to just click on this start menu, then click on settings, then click on the system, then click on the sound. In this you can check you have selected proper output device or not. After that, just close this window and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still not, then what you have to do, you have to just click on the search menu and then type here fix audio, then click on this fix audio problem, click on this advanced option, then click on next. Then it will detect and fixes the audio problem automatically. After trying this, still you are facing the issue, then try the third method. Type here device manager, click on this device manager, you have to select your sound drivers, double click on that, select your Realtek audio driver, right click on that, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically for the drivers and it will update your sound drivers. After trying all these options, still you are facing the issue, then you can try the final method, that is you have to restore your system. Click on search menu, then type here system restore, then select your C drive, then click on system restore, then click on next. Select the date when your sound was working perfect before. After updating your Windows, you have to select the before date when you have started your updating your Windows. Suppose if you have updated your Windows on 12th, then you have to select 8, then click on next. Then it will take some time and it will restart your PC. After restarting, your system will be restored to your previous days. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Realtek audio issues after Windows 11 24 S2 update. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.